Hello and welcome to the Edu Leaders Show on the Edu Bulletin, where we bring you the latest insights and trends from the world of education. I'm Jessica, and I'm excited to guide you through this episode. We have an esteemed guest joining us, Ms. Lavina Jaswani, Director of Sprouts International School, Jaipur, shared her insights on the role of technology, especially artificial intelligence, in early childhood education. She emphasized the importance of using AI tools to enhance children's learning, particularly in language development, through engaging applications. Now, let's move directly into our interview. Over to you, Rumani. Let's hear what Ms. Lavina Jaswani had to say.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We have with us a very special guest. She is Miss Lavina Jaswani, Director, Sprouts International School, Jaipur. Welcome to the summit, ma'am. And how's your experience being here at the 24th Education Summit in Jaipur?
It's really innovative
Mhm.
and learning platform. And we thank Time to Grow for inviting me and on this platform as a speaker. And really, we are looking forward for more tie-ups with this. Thank you.
That's great, ma'am. So, coming from a preschool background, so just tell me about what is your take on technology, introduction of technology in the preschool domain, as our today's theme of the summit is artificial intelligence. So, what is your take on this, and how early should we introduce the children to technology?
Okay. See, AI, we can't neglect AI. It's
Mm-hmm.
like if we work on AI, it's like a power-packed combination with the traditional techniques. So AI plays a very vital role in day-to-day's life, and
Mm-hmm.
since toddler, we can see the small ones. The mamas used to hand over this phone to the early toddlers, and they used to see this stories and roams, poems, everything, and so
Right.
yeah, it's like so many apps are available for these tools and techniques of AI where the child is able to learn more and understand. See, four features are there that are listening skills, speaking skills, and reading and then writing come. So for the toddler, I must say it's a very good platform where they used to listen all these
Hmm.
stories and poems and everything, and then they used to develop it, and then it comes to speaking on their tongue. So first, the linguistic skills come where the lot of learning is there in their own motherhood language, you can say, or either in any of the languages. So it comes with a very the applications are very gamification. So a lot of games are there, and so attractive features are there. So the
Hmm.
kids are getting attracted to these things, and they learn over these platforms. So it's a great learning platform there, and which enhance everything like all the numeracy,
Hmm.
linguistic learning, and other creative thinking skills also.
Yes, that's great, ma'am. And when we talk about the early childhood education, there are, all the pillars are important: the child, the teacher, the parent, and the school. So, how can the teacher and parents collaborate so that we can nurture young minds in a, better way?
Yeah, actually, the learning of the child, it should not be in the school. It should not be teacher centric. It
Mm-hmm.
should always be a child centric system in our education system. We can say always the hands on learning, experiential learning we can practice with the child, in which the teacher as well as the parents, they both should work hand on hand, so that the learning should be more adaptable for the child. Like whatever
Hmm.
projects being given to the school, the parents also should know what is the application or through which mode they are being conducted, what is the way they are performing, and how they have to do. So the same, if the parent is also involved with the teachers, so the things come up very beautifully. So I should say, like, teachers should give a space to the child to learn more, grasp more, and then the teacher should use new innovative and technology should be there, like AI. We are talking about today, we are having this AI main base of this session. So there are many applications like
Hmm.
lingo apps and creative thinking. We have like book reader, we have British learning applications, and specify and speech therapy. So in all these things, the child learn about many techniques, and when the parents are also using the same, like Kahoot, we are using in the schools Kahoot application. So lot many questions, numeracy, literacy skills are there. When the child crosses one stage, another
Hmm.
stage with the help of teacher, the same is being guided by the parents also at home. So that it's like it's hand on hand work, and the child is definitely getting a benefit out of it.
राइट एब्सोल्युटली सो हम कहते हैं कि कुछ बच्चों को कुछ सिखाना हो तो ट्राई अर्ली स्टार्ट अर्ली यू कैन
Right, right,
so when we talk about value education, so how do you think value education plays a role in creating the students of tomorrow, and it starts from an early age, so how do your school is planning to take on that?
right. We can see these days like all the schools are focusing much on these skills, whether it is a
Hmm.
linguistic numeracy, critical thinking, and all these skills. But we are lagging our values, the base, our root. India is all about these culture value system. So if we keep in touch with these values, we should teach our child to be more humble, to be polite, to be happy. The inner happiness is always based with these values. If the
Hmm.
child is happy, the inner sense is happy, definitely the world around him will be happy. So we used to have some fixed dialogues. We have some 100 lines for a child.
Hmm.
He used to memorize these. I just give an instance. A mother, she scolded her child, and the child came crying to the class,
Hmm.
and she said, "Mama ने मुझे मारा, and mama ने मुझे डांटा, mama मुझसे
Hmm.
नाराज है." And the whole day she was also upset. Then we told the child कि घर जाके मम्मा को बोलना that mama, you are the best mama in the world. And what she did, she
Hmm.
went home. She said, "Mama, you are my best mama in the world. It's so yummy food. You cook so yummy." So
Hmm.
she was so happy inside. So whatever our worries, our tensions are there, when the child comes with the happy environment, with the positive dictionary words, these
Hmm.
are the values, the positive dictionary words. When the child uses this at home, "Dad, you are the best dad in the world. Mom, you're the best mom in the world." So it always create a wonderful environment. And if the environment is happy, definitely a country going to be a good.
Okay, that's great, ma'am. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts, and we are absolutely delighted to have you here.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us for this enlightening discussion. We hope you found it as insightful and inspiring as we did. Save the number 8534845670 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp for updates on the EduLeaders show, featuring inspiring interviews from the education sector.